In this video, we're going to be talking about a broker you can be trading in 2026, going even into 2027, and that broker is going to be RestroFX. Now, personally, with RestroFX, it is set differently from a lot of other brokers, and here's why. One, it offers an first AI trading journal that no other broker is actually doing at this time, which basically means for any trader that does not have a plan on what they should be trading, what actually makes them money long term, how much time they should be spending on just an asset or overall the strategy, that journal is going to literally get you right. It's basically one of the journals I use to help create my actual plan that I teach and that I trade consistently, mainly with oil, even US 30. Now, that is that. The second thing that it offers is what we call power up accounts. Basically, what a power up account is almost like giving you a bonus account up to 125 bonus percent. Meaning, if you deposit $1,000, you will be trading with a total of $2,225. So this is a big benefit for traders like that. Now, additional to that, they also offer a lot more other features, such as you can do card deposits. So at the time of me making this video, it is not on the site as of right now, but they are adding on card deposits. So if you ever wanted to deposit either using the traditional crypto, which is a thing, you can also do that. On top of that, you can also use your card. So let's go ahead and talk a little bit about RestroFX and why this, in my opinion, would be one of the brokers you should start trading no matter what type of trader you are. First and foremost, let's say you have 10 different strategies and you're not sure what strategy will make you the most money. Well, you can literally put in as many strategies as you want. And then what happens next is when you come to Trading Assistant, you ask it questions. You say, hey, what is my most profitable strategy when it comes to trading gold? Or hey, what is my most profitable, or what day should I be trading gold? What is my least profitable day, least profitable strategy, and so forth? You can ask it all these questions, and then after that, have it create the actual trading plan for you. You don't need to use ChatGPT. You don't need to use Claude. You don't have to build out anything. You don't have to pay Tradezilla or pay third party. Everything is built in because this is Lock It Trade, which I'm very excited about. Very first broker to ever do something like this, if that made any sense, if I made it make sense. Basically, what I'm getting at is you don't have to pay anything. It is completely free when you actually have an account. Everything is integrated. You can also upload more trades if you're using a third-party platform or another broker. You can just come in here and upload your trades even if you want to, or you can just go ahead and select account, which makes everything super cool. Now let's get into the main important part, which is the trading part. They use Tradelocker, and at this time, I do know it's only Tradelocker, but I do know that MT5 will also be coming on later down the road. I'm not sure if this is only going to be available for non-USA or even for USA clients, but that is something that they're working on top of many other things. But for sure, Tradelocker is where it's set. Now, when it comes to deposits and withdrawals, it's pretty much within hours. If you're depositing anything under $1,000, it can be quick within like 30 minutes. Anything over 1,000, it takes about 24 hours to get approved. Other than that, you pretty much can withdraw only through crypto, but you can deposit with a debit credit card and also crypto. So that's something to keep in mind when you're actually trading. Now, if you ask me, I will always say go with the ECN Raw, but most of the time you might want to go with a standard account depending on how much money you're depositing. If you are depositing a bigger amount, you can go Raw, like ECN Raw, but you have to keep in mind, mainly scalpers love this account type because it gives them less spreads, but they do pay just more on the commission part, but they don't have to worry about it marking up. So if you're a scalper like myself and I get in a trade Euro USD, I want to make sure I'm getting at that price. And that's super important. But if you're swinging, it could make sense to go the other route as well. So it just depends on what you're looking for overall. But what I'm basically getting at is depending on what type of trader you are, you have different account types, and RestroFX offers those account types. So if you guys want to get in our community for free, where we are doing way more than what you're seeing on YouTube, we're going to be going live soon. Not even that, we're still sending out signals, like mainly gold signals. On top of that, we're giving you way more details on how to trade, how to build a plan. You can learn all of that through the Trade with Solo community for free when you sign up with Restro and deposit at least $250. All you got to do is email us at joinsolonetwork@gmail.com and we'll get you in our community for free. Other than that, I appreciate you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.